The price of freedom. Very small, I was born, but trapped. I was trapped. My shouts, my screams, they could never be heard. I've tried countless of times, but fate had forgotten me. Trapped in a shell, completely blocked and protected from the world. Yet I tried. I tried to spread my wings and be free. Freedom! I cried to be free. Then when all my faith was gone, fate, she came knocking on my door. And I went just to see the door opened. But then as I spread my wings, freedom, I yelled. Then fate cast her eyes off me and I got shot out of the sky. And then I asked fate, why? Yes, I'm Roman, and that is poem number 42 that I wrote when I just started with poetry. Just to give you a very quick recap of what this meant for me at the time and what it still means, it's that often as children and sometimes as adults, we want things, we desire things. And unfortunately, sometimes the things that we desire are not for us and not the best for us. And the price of having this freedom, as we call it, could be our very demise. And what I wanted to communicate here is that the price of the freedom I wanted would have surely led to my demise. And it's an opinion I held back then when I was younger. And it's still an opinion that I hold right now. However, this is just one interpretation. There's a second interpretation. And that interpretation is that it's a butterfly. It's a butterfly being in a cocoon and desiring freedom so much. And then eventually, when the butterfly got freedom, it was killed. It could have been killed by a human, another animal, whatever it was killed. And again, it's to bring home the point that sometimes freedom comes with a cost, with a price, and it's one that may at times cost our lives. So what do you think about this poem? Is there another interpretation that you have? Let me know in the comments down below. And you can also share the poems that you have. With that said, I'll see you next time. Ciao, ciao.